Hey, welcome back guys. The OnePlus 10T unveiled a few days ago is now available for purchase in India through Amazon India and OnePlus official Indian website. It comes in moonstone black and jet green colors with two memory options, 8 gigs of RAM, 128GB ROM and 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs, priced at 49,999 and Indian rupees 54,999 respectively. There's also a variant with 16 gigs of RAM and 256GB storage on board, but that's not available in India. The OnePlus 10T is powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and runs on Android 12-based OxygenOS 12 out of the box. It's built around a 6.7-inch 120Hz FullHD Plus AMOLED screen with a fingerprint reader underneath for biometric authentication and a punch hole for the 16-megapixel selfie camera. Around the back, we have a 50-megapixel primary camera joined by 8-megapixel ultrawide and 2-megapixel macro units. The OnePlus 10T packs a 4800 mAh battery with 150-watt wired charging, but it can only go up to 125-watt in North America. Also, while the OnePlus 10T is already available for purchase in India, the smartphone is still on pre-orders in Europe, with shipments beginning on August 25. Pre-bookings in the US begin in September 1 and the device will start shipping on September 29. That's it for now. See you in the next one.